everyone, my name is Pangit, Cebu Adventure channel. Today we will go to forgot public market. Okay. Public market, yeah. In Lapu Lapu City. And then we will check what they have, also what we buy. And then let's check the place. Come with us. Follow me. Okay, this place is public market in Lapu Lapu City, and then whatever you want you can buy. You can see the shoes and then the ingredients, and then this place is really cheap, and then whatever you want, what you need, you can buy everything. And then now we will go to the public market, inside the market. Let's go. Okay, this is vegetable section, and then whatever you want you can buy fresh vegetables. And then when you cook like fish or beef, also you can buy also vegetables here. And then just cook together, and then delicious food you can get. Okay, let's see around. Egg. This is like a size, right? Size of different size, right? Oh no! Really good. Okay, this is meat section. You can buy where? Okay, chicken, and then beef, and then pork, and this is really fresh and really cheap. And then whatever you want, you can get the meat here. And then let's look around.
One eternity later.
Can you almost die?
Once you upad og tomate.
125, 1025, amigo uno 25, 1,125.
So Ate will cut this one.
Okay.
Like for the tail part, it's going to be grilled, and then for the for the middle part, it's going to be like Filipino style sashimi.
Oh.
Yeah, Filipino style sashimi, and then on the head part, what we're gonna do with this one is going to like soup.
Sinigang.
Yeah, something like that. Sinigang.
Oh.
Yeah. Especially it's good for hangover.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow.
Alright.
Then today we will drink. It's good. Oh my god.
Oo, ate.
Uh-huh.
She will remove the gills of the tuna because of course we cannot eat that.
Oh, yeah.
So this is what we call the tuna joke.
A joke?
jaw.
Oh.
Usually what we do, the parts, I mean every part of the tuna you can grill.
Oh.
But the most delicious part is actually this part,
Okay.
the tail part,
Oh.
and also the jaw part.
Oh. Okay, I bought the tuna, and can you see the fresh tuna? So don't worry, I already paid, okay? I already paid, okay? And then let's cook tuna in my house. Let's go. Oh, sh! Pet, pet.
Hello? Hello, guys. Hello? Okay, hello.
I think you need to.
There we go.
Very good, very good. Oh. Oh. I think already cooked this part, and I think this part is delicious. It's really fresh. Today we bought this one, and then my friend told me the tail part is the tail part they usually cook like barbecue style, and then today I tried to eat barbecue style tuna. It's my first time in my whole life. I don't know the taste, but I think the taste is really good because you can see the like fresh, and then like this is oil, like a tuna oil. And then let's try later, okay?
5 minutes later.
Oh my god. Min! Say goodbye first to your viewers. Oh my god.
Oh, oh. Give me a second, okay? Yeah. Very delicious, actually. And then I don't worry about my video. I'm sorry. Actually, this is my auto video today. But if you guys like my video, just subscribe and like, please. And you guys can see more activity and more delicious food in my YouTube channel. Okay, this is Pangit, and then just follow me, please.
Bye bye. Next trip. Okay.